The whole world is now saying, we are dying. So recently, there was a conference in Scotland. I didn't go, but Dr. Gunda went there, and they said petroleum must not be used in cars after 20 years. So that's how now the companies which have been looking for petroleum stopped. They are no longer looking for the petroleum. They are no longer looking for new petroleum. So the small amount of petroleum which is already known, the price has now gone up. Even before the war in Ukraine, it had gone from I think it was $60, it had gone to $80. With the war in Ukraine, it went to now 100. So that is the issue of petroleum. Now, why the prices are up? The prices are that petroleum, again, it will no longer be used in vehicles. So that means, the world is now saying you must go to the African energy, the one they abandoned, the one they told us to abandon. We must go back to the African energy, which is what? Solar, wind, of course there is some hydro. Hydro was added. Was added. Of course, the Africans were also using hydro not to produce electricity, but to do work, to wash, to things, to clear. They were using water for that. So the world is now going away from petroleum for cars to solar, wind, nuclear, and hydro. That's the problem of petrol. Why it has gone up now. So you should all know it.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.